Yo guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Atlas to earn reward points on dining purchases. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Atlas account. You can do that on the online banking platform. That's the website, or you can choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the credit card accounts that you want to earn reward points on dining purchases for, and then you're going to click on rewards and review the reward program details. Once that's done, you're going to use your credit card for qualifying dining purchases to earn reward points. Now you can review and redeem your reward points for things like statement credits, gift cards, as well as other rewards that are available on Atlas. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Atlas to earn reward points on dining purchases. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys